Hello guys, welcome back. I am Subham and you're watching Coder Commune. So today we will see another tutorial where we will talk about the Stream API in Java 8 feature. So this is the beautiful feature where we can see how we can perform stream operations. Suppose there are multiple operations you can do with the Stream API, like counting the elements, even though sorting the elements, searching the element, filtration, all kind of filtration. So these things you can perform with the stream API, and we will see these in the two parts. The first part will be the basic, where we can see with the simple array of integers or array of string, or maybe the list of integer or list of string. In the second part of video we will talk about that user defined data type, like having product object, or maybe the customer object, employee object. On that we will perform that stream API operations. So firstly we will go to that official documentation of Oracle, and we will see like what is the stream. So what is the stream? So basically the stream is the interface. Okay, so this is giving the one method, that is the stream. Okay, so basically you can see uh, it is a kind of pipeline which will give you the a stream, or which will give you the sequence of element, maybe the parallel or the sequence of element. Okay, so you can perform the operation on that. So there might be the three basically three things in the pipeline, that is the source, intermediate, and the terminal. So what is the source? You can see the source is which might be it can be the source of data. Okay, so suppose you are having an array, maybe the collection, maybe the generator function. So on that you can perform the filter, I mean stream operations. So that can be act as a source. And even you can have the intermediate, which can be zero or more intermediate operations such as filter. So like if you want to perform the filtration, that can be come as intermediate in our stream pipeline. And at the end that there will be terminal operation. The terminal operation will be counting the element, or maybe the sum, or maybe the finding the mean or max, maybe dot for each. So this kind of thing will become as the terminal operations. So now let's go and let's explore the demonstration part. So you can see in the official documentation itself, they are providing one example there. This example is kind of like there is kind of widgets, list of widgets. So on that they are trying to find, like if the widget color is red, try to calculate the sum of the bit. So if suppose there are uh, five widgets in the list, and uh, out of five there is a four, or maybe the three widget having the red color. So all three widget having some different kind of bit, so they want to calculate those bits. So you can see they're performing like the widgets. So widgets dot stream. So basically the widget is the kind of source of data, and then dot stream, which is giving the sequential, or the sequence of your stream object. And then you are performing the dot filter office, and from where you are filtering that if the widget color is red, then what you want to do, you want to get the bit of that widget, and then you want to sum. So basically they are getting all the digits, and then they are summing it. Okay, so this is the simple example. Okay, so now we will go to our IDE, and we will try with some basic operation on the stream. So let's get started with this. So firstly I'll create one simple list of integer. So basically I'm going to create one list of integer, and not this. Okay, and this, and then I'm just going to take simple list dot off. I'm going to use that list dot off. That is also one of the feature in Java. So that is, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the few of the integers, like 10, 25, 20, 12, 10. So and also let's take one more, that is maybe 30. So basically we are having that mixed of data, and so on this we want to, what we want to perform, let's say let's say I want to check how many odd elements or odd number are present in our list. So let's try count the total odd element or odd number in list. Okay, so this is the our problem. So let's start. So what I will do, list dot, so list is our the source, and then I will apply that stream. So on a stream you are going to find because you need to find first that odd number, right? So what I'm going to do, I will perform filter. Okay, so let's see, like what filter is going to take, it will take a predicate, and it is kind of thing, it is going to take a predicate which is not having any which will take parameter and return as a boolean value. Okay, so let's see like what we will take. So I'm going to see e provide the one lambda expression, and that is kind of suppose if e is modular division maybe 2 equal to 0. So basically if modular division 2 equal to 0, that means that is the odd even number, right? So what I will do, I will take not equal, so it will basically give the odd number, and then what I'll do, I'll simply count from terminal, that is the count. So what is going to do, it is first it is checking whether the number is even or odd. So basically it is trying to check whether it's odd, then it will add, and then it will find total count. Okay, so now let's we need to store it somewhere. So basically the count value, I think it will give the long value. So I'm going to check for like count odd. Okay, so it is giving you the long value, and now I'm going to print this. So I'm going to print count odd. Okay, so that's it. Now let's run this and let's see what kind of output it will give. So basically we should get like 25 is the odd number and 15 is the odd number. So basically we need value as 2, count as 2. Let's see what value we are going to get. It's taking few time, and then after finding the count, we will check for like dot for each operation also. Now let's okay, see, so we are getting that count as 2. So now what I want to perform not count, I want to print that. So let's write another problem, that is print the odd number from list. Okay, so again what we need to do, okay, so simply I'll just do list dot stream. Okay, now filter, and again we will pass that lambda expression where we will check for like e modular division 2 not equal to 0. Okay, and not we will perform for each. So and here we will pass that system dot art dot not dot method reference println. Okay, so this is the method reference which we can use, like previously we are using this system.out.println. So here we are not using that, we are using the method reference. Okay, so this is the symbol of the method reference. Okay, so let's try with this, like what kind of output will we get. So we should get that 25 and the 15. Now let's see what kind of output we are going to get. Okay, so the first is the total number of odd number, that is the 2, and the second output we are getting is the 25 and 15, that is the 25 15 is the odd number from the list. So these are the two problems which we tried. Now we are going to check for the sum. So let's try with the sum. Maybe I want to sum of the even number maybe. Okay, so let's write another problem, that is the sum of the even number. So just find sum of the even number from list. Okay, so again we are going to perform that list dot stream. Again we need to filter, so this time I'm going to filter for the even number. So again the lambda expression e modular division 2 equal to this time this is going to check for the even number. So e modular division 2 and equal to 0, and this time I'm going to perform the sum. So as you can see, this is giving the error. So why this is giving the error, let's see. So I think we need to perform that map to int. Okay, and now we can check for like again we need to see p and now let's put this here. Let's try. Okay, also we need to store somewhere, right? So I haven't stored it. So firstly I will store. So first I will store it integer kind of thing in sum of odd. Okay, and now I'm going to create this. So this should print your the sum of the even number, not the sum of the odd, the wrong. Okay, so this is coming 72. Let's check sum of even number. So 20 plus 10 30 30 30 and 30 60 60 and 12, that is your 72. So that is coming correct, right? So this I need to modify this sum of even, not the odd. Sum of even. So I took wrong name, that is the sum of even. So as you can see, these are the coming correct value, right? So if you again want to see that the printing, so what I will do, I'll just copy from here and here I'll just modify the condition. Okay, and now just run it. So this should give you that 10 20 12 and the 30. Okay, so so first is the count, and then the count of odd number, then the odd numbers 25 and 12, and then you're giving the sum of the even number, that is the 72. So you can calculate from here also. These are the even numbers, that is the 10 20 12 and 30. So basically you can got the 10 plus 20, that's 30 30 30 60 and 12, that is the 72. So these are the coming correctly, right? So that you can see for like basic of your list of integer. Now you can, if you want to form like kind of on the strings, so let's try with the sum of, let's try a few examples of a string. So I'll take list of a string, and let's try list of string. Okay, and again I'm going to use the list dot of, that is very beautiful here. And so I'm going to take the list of city. So basically I'm going to write a Patna, and then I'm going to write another city, that is a Delhi, and then Lucknow, okay, now, and then maybe Bangalore, okay, not Bangalore, okay. So these are the okay, one more city, maybe Pune. So let's perform some filtration, right? So what I will do, I'll create so we had three problems. Let's try the fourth one. So I want that uh, I want to check, maybe I want to first, let's repeat this. So what I will do, I'll just give another Patna, not this, okay, into the string, okay. So there are two Patna, right? So I want to check how many the Patna present in our list of a string. So find count of Patna in count of Patna in your list, okay. So let's try with this. So list of string dot, again we will perform the stream, then filtration, and now let's see what we are going to do. So again we are going to pass that lambda expression. Now this time e dot, so what will check, it will check whether equals, right? So equals, and now we will check for Patna, and now we will count it. Again it will return the long value, so long count of Patna, okay. So now let's print this, okay. So count of Patna, and now let's print this. So it should return 2, right? As we are having two Patna in our list, one is first index, one is the at the last. So the count will be 2. Now let's check the output. Okay, so there you can see the count of Patna is 2. So at the same way, let's try for something. Mm, uh, let's try for sorted, sort sort on the basis of name, right? So let's try with this. So let's write fifth is the sort the list, okay. So let's see list of string dot stream dot sorted, okay, dot mm, maybe map, or maybe collect. So maybe collect, and collect dot to list. So I'm going to collect and collect in the list, and let's come here and let's take one list. Or if you want to modify the list of a string itself, you can pass that. So I'm going to take another string and I'll store that value here. So sorted list, and now let's try with what I can do. I will not just take, or maybe, okay, let's do this. So just I'm going to print this system dot hot dot println sorted list. Okay, now let's see what we are going to get. So what the come first should come first? Bangalore will come, then it should come Delhi. So let's see. You can see the first is the Bangalore, then we are having Delhi, then we are having Lucknow, Patna, again Patna, that is the repeated, right? So and then we are having the Pune. So this is the very beautiful. You can see the we are easily we have performed that sorting, right? So maybe you were wondering like we are having that collection dot sort, then why we are going to use this. So it will be useful when you are going to perform that user defined data type. Like if you want to sort product sorting, like based on the product name, or maybe the based on the product price on which you want to perform sorting, at that time it will be very useful to this sorted method and a string API. So that is very useful. But you can see that we are getting the correct output here in that sorted format. And if you want to convert it into the like I want that convert it into the set form, maybe the unique element, right? So let's see what we can do. I want to do like again I want to do like not is so I am trying to do. I'll just copy this again. I'll come here. I'll just make two set, not two list. I'll make two set. Okay, and I'll take here set, and let me write here sorted set. Okay, now I'm going to print this. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now let's now just guess what it's going to give. So as it's converting it to the set, and set is having only the unique element. So now you can see what it's going to give you, right? So it is giving it can't give you the sorting, okay, because it is just manipulated. But you are converting it to the set, and set is kind of giving you the unique element, so it can misplaced your the data, right? So we are getting the data, but we are not having that uh, sorting, because you can see what it's saying: redundant sorted call subsequent to set call does not depend on the sorting order. Okay, so if you are going to convert it to set, then it will not follow the sorting order. Okay, so that's all for this video, and in the next video we will check for the defined data type, and we will perform sorting. We will perform the stream operation on that user defined data type, like product, employee, or the customers. So on that we will perform. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed and you understood it very well. If you are having any doubt, if you are having any concern, you can ask in the comment section. and you can also provide some suggestions, and that will be very useful for us. And I will request you to subscribe the channel if you want to get more this kind of video. So thank you, we will meet again. Bye.